Hello, good morning. How are you? Hello, good morning. How are you, my kids? I wish that everyone of you is okay. So today we will see a new lecture and we will see a new lesson that deals with bearing. Okay, using bearings. Okay. So Sunday. This lecture is for next Sunday, 12/4/2000 and 2020, grade 8. Okay, grade 8. Okay, first of all, bearing. What is a bearing, my kids? What the meaning of bearing? A bearing are a measure of direction. Okay, a bearing is a measure of direction. Okay, with north taken as a reference. Okay, that for example, if I would like to measure this angle, I will start from clockwise north direction. Okay, so we told that bearing are a measure of direction with north taken as a reference. If you are traveling north, your bearing is 0, 0. Okay. Then if you walk from O, from the point O, in the direction shown, if you are walking from O, the point O, in the direction shown in the diagram, this is O, okay, and this is the direction shown, okay. So what is your bearing? You are walking on a bearing, means on an angle of size 110 degree, okay. So you are walking on a bearing of 110 degree. Okay. For example, another example. If we have this diagram, this is the north, and this is, for example, the point B, and this is the point A. And now this is 30 degree. The question is, find the bearing of B from A. Okay, you will measure this angle, okay, clockwise north direction, means you will make like that from this point, from B, find the bearing of B from A, okay, of B from A, means this angle, so it will be 30 degree, bearing of B from A is what, my kids? Is 30 degree. Okay? Then, bearing are always measured clockwise from north direction. Bearing are always measured clockwise, measured always like that, not anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Okay, and are given as a figure, as three figures, for example. Look at the first diagram. We have what? We have a bearing of what? Of 60 degree. I will try to measure this. This is the north. Okay, this is north. I will label as N or north. Okay. In order to measure, to find my bearing from, for example, this is A, this is B. Okay, from this point to that point, from A to B, I should measure this bearing clockwise. Yes, north direction. Okay, means 60 degree. My bearing is 60 degree. The next one, I will measure my bearing from, for example, this is A, this is B. Okay, from the point A to B, or the bearing, this one can read as bearing from A to B, or bearing of B from A. Okay, so the bearing is what? Is 240 degree. The third example, we have, this is the normal, the north, okay. In order to measure, this is, I will label as A, this is the point A, and this one the point B, okay. In order to work out the bearing from A to B, I should measure what? I should measure clockwise from north direction. clockwise from north direction, like that. Okay, so this one is 330 degree. Okay, I will give another example. Find bearing, find the bearing from A to B. Or this one is can read as bearing of B from A. Bearing, it can read as bearing of B from A. Okay, for example, this one, the diagram, kids. This is the normal. Okay, and this one, for example, like that. This is A, this is B. Okay, this is, for example, 45 degree, and this is the next normal. Okay, and okay, small question, find the bearing, small a, find the bearing from A to B. The next one, find the bearing from the bearing of A from B, or between parentheses. Okay, find the bearing of A from B, or find the bearing from B to A, from B to A. Okay, the first one, let's do. This one, in order to measure this, you should measure clockwise north direction. Okay, means what? The bearing from A to B is that, or the bearing of B from A is this one. Okay, we will measure clockwise north direction. So this one is 45 degree. Bearing of 45 degree. Okay, the next one. Find the bearing of A from B. Bearing of A from B. Okay, here my kids, look, you should extend this line. Extend this line, this dashed line. And what do you think about this normal and this normal, or this north direction and this north direction? Are they parallel? Of course, yes. And what about the third line? It's the transversal, means the line that cuts the two parallel lines. If this is 45, this one also is 45 degree. Why? Because this line is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal in size. My kids. Okay. So, then, what else? Look, I will try to do this. We told this is 45, and from that to that, the bearing, we told that the bearing from B to A is all of this, my kids. Sorry, is all of this. Okay? Is all of this. The bearing from B to A, or the bearing of A from B, the bearing of A from B. So, all of this. So, this is 45 and this is 180. This is 180 degree, okay, because it's a line, a transversal that cuts the two parallel lines. So this is the point B, and this one is 180 degree. This one, only this, I mean. So to find the bearing from B to A, or the bearing of A from B, is 45 plus 180. Is 45 plus 180 degree should be equal to 225 degree. This is the bearing of A from B, or the bearing from B to A. Okay. Sorry, this one. Battery is down. Okay, just a moment. Okay, we continue, my kids. What we have? We have what? Okay. I will clear this. So, we done that. Now, we continue. Okay, on what bearing? Here we have. Okay, in what bearing is the ship sailing if it is heading to E? We told that we should measure clockwise north direction. Okay, look to the point E. The ship will sail from the north direction to E, like that. Okay. So, what is this? The normal is orthogonal or is perpendicular to this line. This is 90 degree, my kids. This is 90 degree. And this one is what? And this one is 45 degree. Okay? So, to measure this, the bearing clockwise north direction to the point E is 90 degree. This one, bearing of 90 degree. Now, let's say if it is heading S. What is S? So, what do you think about this? I will measure the bearing or my angle from clockwise from north direction, like that. So, this is what? This is a line. You can extend this one from north to south. It will be 180 degree. Good boy, 180 degree. Okay, bearing of 180 degree. Then to the west. What is the west? This is the west, okay? In order to measure this, my kids, to measure the bearing, I will measure clockwise from the north direction till I reach this point, okay? Like that. So, this one is 180 plus 90. So, it will be 270 degree. So, this one, it will be 270 degree. Then, to southeast, this point, my kids, I will measure my angle clockwise from north direction to this one. So it will be, this is 90, you see this is 90, plus 45 degree. 90 plus 45 is what? It will be 100 and, I'll just say right here. So 90 degree plus 45, sorry, degree equal what? 135 degree. Okay. Then, now from northwest, I will start from this point, then I will measure, I will extend this one, okay, then I will make like that. This one. So, in fact, this is 45 degree. You can do both methods. If you would like to make 360 minus 45 degree, it will be 315. Or make 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 plus 45, as you. Okay? So, you can write 360 degree minus 45 degree equal 315 degree. Or you can write, we have 90 plus 90 plus 90 is 270. Is 270, okay, 270 plus 45 degree. It will be also 315. As you like, choose one of them. Okay? So, okay. The next. A ship sails from A to B on a bearing of 60 degree. On what bearing must it say if it is to return from B to A? Okay. We want to work out, the question is what? Find the bearing of A from B. Of A from B. Or we thought the bearing of A from B. From B. The bearing of A from B or the bearing. Okay. So find the bearing of A from B or the bearing from B to A. Bearing or from B to A. Okay? So, first of all here, my kids, we have two parallel lines. The north is parallel to this one. And this one is the transversal, or the third line that cuts the two parallel lines. Here, my kids, I will extend the line. I will extend the line like that. You can notice this is 60, and also this one is 60. Why? Both angles are called corresponding angles, okay? Simply because this one are called corresponding angles, okay? Which are equal in size. Okay, then I want what? I want to work out the bearing of A from B, or the bearing of from B to A. Means we measure clockwise from the north direction. So this is 60 degrees, isn't it? And what about this one? This is the line, so 180. 180 plus 60 will be 240. So all of this will be 180 plus 60 degree equal to 240 degrees. So just the answer is what? Is 180 plus 60 degree. It will be what? It will be 240 degree. Okay. 200. Okay. Then we have what? Do we have another method? Also, we have another method. So I'll just make like that. Okay. This is to the north. This is to the north. Sorry. Okay. We thought this is also the north. This is A 60. Okay. We now no need to extend this one. I will make like that. I will never move like this one. Okay. I will move like that. Two lines are parallel and one transversal. Means this is also what? 60 degree. Why alternate angles? This one and this, someone call it alternate angles. This one, and this one, my kids, are called what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal in size. Are equal in size. Okay, good one. So then this is to measure the bearing clockwise from north direction from B. This is called B. This point from B to A is like that. This is 180 plus 60. This is only this one is 180. From this to this is 180. From this to this is 180 degree. And plus what? Plus this one is 60. 180 plus 60 gives 240. So it will be 180 plus what? Plus 60 gives 240 degree. Okay, so we have two methods. If we like to extend this and consider this 180, then add the corresponding angles, or just extend the north from B, extend this line, and this is 180 and plus the alternate angles. Okay? So sheet sails from A to B on a bearing of 60 degree. Okay. On what bearing must it sail if it is returned from B to A? First of all, the diagram shows the journey from A to B. Okay. Extending the line of the journey allows an angle of 60 degree to be marked at B, which is called what? Called this one and this one are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are equal in size. Okay. Then just this one is 60 and this one is 180. So just add both of them. So bearing of A from B is 60 plus 180 gives 240 degree. And this is called a back bearing or a reciprocal bearing. A back bearing from B to A, or a reciprocal bearing of A from B. Okay? Here we have an exercise on your student book. Okay? So this is a part of Dakar's homework. Exercise, write down the bearing of B from A. The bearing of B from A. This is the bearing of B from A. Okay? It will be 127. Okay? This one is 127 degree. Okay. Then work out the bearing from A to B. From A to B, you can extend this line. Okay? This is 180. Okay? Plus what? Plus 127. Okay? So it will be 180 plus 127. Okay, 7, 10, 300. Okay. So it will be 307. This one is 307 degree for the first example. So so this one we told the bearing from A to B is 127, correct? Then the bearing of B from A is 180, plus 127. This is alternate angles. Why? Because two parallel lines and transversal. So 180 plus 127 gives 307 degree. Okay. Now we will apply the same method in the exercise. Write down the bearing of B from A. Then work out the bearing of A from B. The bearing of A from B. Okay. Let's do the first one. This is I. The bearing of B from A this is small I, is 77 degree. Double I is what? I will extend this one. This is 180. Okay. Plus 77. 180. This is 180. 180. Well, this one is 77 degree. So 180 plus 77 gives 157 degree. So double I is 157 degree. So I'll just write it here. Okay, erase this. I'll write it again. Okay. Look, small I. We told the bearing of B from A is that is 77 degree. 77 degree. Okay. Double I now. We have the bearing of A from B. You will measure clockwise from the north direction. Means this is, my kids, this is 180. I will do another color. This is 180, okay. And this one, my kids, is 77. This one is 77, okay. This one is 77. It will be equal to that because alternate angles, okay. Because of alternate angles. So the bearing of A from B is 180 plus 77, okay? 180 plus 77 gives 7, then 15, 257 degree. This is the bearing of A from B, of A from B. To the next one, this one, B, small small I. The bearing of B from A is that 180. Then double I, the bearing of A from B is that is 180, okay, 180, okay, plus 180, this is 180, and this is 180, okay, so 118 plus 180 gives 180 plus 118 gives 298, so 298 degree, okay. For small I will just write here. I is what? Is the bearing of B from A is that? Is 16 degree. And double I is what? You make 180. This is 180. Plus this angle and this angle are alternate angles. It means also this is 16 degree. So the bearing of B of A from B is that? Is 180 plus 16. So 180 plus 16 gives 180 plus 16 is equal to 196 degree. Okay? The same here, okay, this is a part of Harsh's homework. Question, work down the bearing of B from P. The bearing of B from P, this one. All of this. This is 223 degree. So the bearing is what here? For I, small I is what? Is 223 degree. Then double I, the bearing of key from P, this one, is what, my kids? Is 180, is 223 minus 180, okay? So it will be, 223 minus 180 degree gives what? Gives 43 degree. This is the first example for this one. Okay? And then now we will do the same here. Small I, we'll write down the bearing of P from P, means this. The bearing of P from P, this one, is what? Is 224. So I will just write here, my kids. I will write small I, small sub question A, small I. We told 244 degree. Double I is what? Double I for this the first sub question is find the bearing of Q from P. Of Q from P means this. I will make what? I will make 224 minus 180. 224 degree minus 180 degree gives 44 degree. Okay? So this one is 44 degree.
Okay, why? Because this is, my kids, this is 180. Okay, this is 180. And this one and this are alternate angles. I will make all of this. The green one is 244. 244 minus, this is not clear, I will make 244. 244 minus 180 gives this angle. And this angle is equal to this one. Why? Because alternate angles. Okay? The small b now. Small b, we have small I is what? The bearing. The bearing of P from Q, this one. 348. 348 degree. Then double I is what? Is 348 minus 180. Okay? It will be 348 minus 108. Okay? How we do it here? 348 minus 1, 8. Okay. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 8, not possible. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then the one that I wrote, I will add it with the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 100 and give us 168 degree. Okay? Then this one is what, my kids? Is 168 degree. Then the last one, we have this, the bearing of Q from P is 204. So small I, this is small b, small c, sorry. Okay. Small I, this is question, sub question C, small I. We told 204. Then, to find this angle means the bearing of Q from P, this one. How can we find it out? I will make 208 and 4 minus 108. Double I is 204 minus 108. Give us 24 degree. Okay? Give us 24 degree. So this one is 24 degree. Okay? Here the diagram shows the position of two ships A, B. This is ship A, this is ship B. And this is the bearing of B from A. This is the bearing of B from A. The question, what is the bearing of ship A from B? Ship A from B. What is the bearing of ship B from A? Okay, so small b is 120 degree. This is small b. Okay? And remain sub question A, what is the bearing of ship A from B? Means that, my kids. Means that this is the bearing of A from B. Okay? The bearing of ship A from ship B. So, how can you do it? This is 120. And this one, I will extend this one. This is also, my kids, 180. And this one, this angle, and this are alternate angles, are equal. Means this is also 120 degree. So, the bearing of A from B is 180 plus, good boy, plus 120. So, the bearing is 180 plus 120 degree gives what? Gives 300. Okay, 300 degree. So, shall I write here? Small a, we have 180 degree plus 120 degree give us 300 degree. Okay? This is a method. If you'd like to use another method, okay, no problem. I will do it here. So this one like that. This is north. This is north. This is 120. This is A. This is B. Okay. Okay. First of all, I will use here. We use alternate angles. So now I will use corresponding angles. I will extend this. This one is what? This angle is 120. Why? Because we have two parallel lines and the third transversal that cuts these two parallel lines. Then, my kids, what do you think about this line? The measure of this line is 180, isn't it? So, to work out, my kids, the bearing of A from B, just make the total of these two angles. The corresponding angle is 120 plus 180, okay? So, 180 plus what? Plus 120, not 80, 120 degree plus 180 degree. Equal what this one, my kids? Equal 300. Equal 300. Okay. 300 degree. Means we use alternate angles. This one, alternate angles. And this one, corresponding angles. Choose the best method that you can to be good for you. Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening. See you inshallah next time. Goodbye.